Today I'm gonna show you a very interesting recipe. It's bullet rolls. It's a snack, but to make it in a healthy way, today I'm gonna show this in wheat flour in place of all-purpose flour. So it's healthy, right? So let's start on the process. First, heat up the pan and then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Here I have taken a groundnut oil to keep in a healthy way. Once the oil is heated, then add 1 medium chopped onion and then saute it well. Once the onion is well sauteed, then add 2 to 3 green chilies chopped. And now mix it well. Add salt according to your taste buds. And then add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and quarter cup tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Now mix it well until all ingredients get fully combined and cook well. Here I have taken grated cabbage and boiled beans. Now add this in the mixture and mix it well. Now I have taken 3 medium-sized potatoes, boiled and scrambled it and then add into the mixture. And then mix it well with the mixture to get well combined with all the spices and veggies. Then add half tablespoon of chaat masala and mix it well. Then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and then mix it well. Now off the flame and then take fresh coriander leaves and then once again mix it well. And then take it into the plate to get chilled. When the mixture gets chilled, we shall prepare the dough. I have already prepared the dough and made into the medium pieces, so measurements are given in the description box. Don't forget to check out there. Same as we prepare chapatis, continue in the same process. Here we have 2 different methods. For the first one, just divide the big chapati into 2 equal halves and then cut all the 4 sides of your edges, and now prepare the stuff in between. The stuff taking is up to you. You can take how much you need, so on. Once you have done keeping your stuff, and then start it to roll. As I said to you before, take all equal halves. The second method is light up your pan and add few drops of oil. And now take your chapati and then roast it. Be careful, just you have to roast each side for 10 to 15 seconds, not more than that. After completing of both sides, take it out. Don't roast too much as we prepare a chapati. I have prepared all in the same way. Now take a bowl and add some amount of wheat flour and add few drops of water and make into a paste. Now, as I said you, which you have roasted chapatis, take it and keep the stuff in middle and add the paste as I show you. And press well. It definitely works. Now take a pan and add oil in it and heat the oil. When the oil is heated, then start to add the rolls in it and deep fry it. So check out while the oil is heated, then you can just go for your rolls. So here I have taken a less amount of oil to deep fry. It does not take much oil, so it's very happy and healthy too, right? Deep fry until it becomes golden brown color and then take it away. Here we no need to have all the tissues and whatever excess we need, so just go and take in another bowl. That's it. Again, you can just go for your serving plate. Continue with the same process as we done for the other roll, all the rolls too. So then maida or all-purpose flour, wheat flour is very good to your health. So prefer only, for some time prefer your wheat flour. So check it out until the golden brown color comes and then take it out. As I said you before, there is no excess amount of oil in it, so we can just happily eat it. And if you need, you can just cut into 2 equal halves, otherwise have it like a roll. It's up to you. And ta-da! It's your favorite soft and crispy bullet rolls. You can just have it with your favorite tomato ketchup or else the stuff we had prepared, and you can just now actually enjoy it. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to try this, and meet you in the next video. Bye.